So ladies and gents, welcome back to McArthur Industries. Just lucky enough you guys haven't had to see me over the last couple of weeks because I've had our team doing a fantastic job for us where I've had a little bit of time where we've got to get away and catch up with some of my mates and also have a little bit of Easter time with our family. So I thank the team here to start with for letting us get away and do that. But what we've got behind us I want to have a chat about today is one of our insurance jobs. We've got young Craig and one of our senior technicians, Dave, and that sort of things, doing a bit of a resheet. And what I want to speak about resheeting of vans is the intensity that you need to get done. I think a lot of people in the marketplace look at this scenario of hail damage, insurance damage, clipping a gate or doing something really silly to their van where they feel it's probably not that big of a job, and when it comes into a place like this they start to get a little bit of a fright. And why I wanted to bring that up today is it's not a fright about getting the work done, it's more about a fright about what actually has to be done to get the work situated. So you can see behind us here at the moment we're doing a bit of a resheet, roof, front and side. This is just an insurance job that we're going through and doing for Suncorp at the moment, which we're preferred for. But we want to let you know, if you actually physically have got any dents at the top of your van, it's the same old school when you're doing some cladding on a house. So starts at the bottom and works up. So when you're thinking about that and you want to get it done correctly, you want to stop water ingress from happening down the track, you want to make sure everything works out properly, we want to make sure that we're doing your job the way it should be done correctly from a manufacturer's sense. So if you need any of this sort of work done, we've got highly professional guys here. I'm just the face of it, but these guys at the back, they're doing it every day of the week and they're doing it 100 times a year and doing a fantastic job. So please drop some comments down below if you want to look at stuff where you don't know what's got to be done to your van, or send some photos through, we can try and help you out. Or if you need any insurance quotes, come out to you free of charge. We can do it at your house if needed on that sort of things, and we can help you out. So come into AllBrand Caravan Services, look up the website featuring that. That's going to have a new website coming up, I'd say, in the next 2 to 3 months, which is something we want to see too. We'll go on a bit more. So have a great day. We'll speak to you soon. If you need any of these great technicians to work on your van, come down and see them soon. Thank you.